it up, Black. Speed your mother. I'ma get disrespectful even though I don't want to be that. I never go Black here, but sorry for tell you about your mother, but sorry, don't tell me Speedy. Dog, me not like that, you know, bro. Like, don't make me cuss, bro. Like, me not like that, bro. Like, bro, respectfully, bro. Sorry for even this your mother, bro, but don't do that, bro. If you don't want to hear, bro, you go on, bro. So, like, Jaja. Yeah, audio joy. Me not sub the chat, me not want no money, me good. I normal pre, bro. So, would I be like, with me instead to me say, send me the video them now. So, it tore we in our phone, we head down. I'ma look pan film video them. And me I look pan film video them, and me I try see what fi send him. And when me I go send him a video them, me only hear pow. No, like, it don't come like one big stone fling in a car. One big stone fling in a car. But me see him go so. Listening to me here, pow. Me go so, boom. Me see him flash off him and I say, babes. So me look up to him and me look at him and say, babes, who fling stone in the car? Remember, you know. Me look up at me and say, babes, who fling stone in the car? Because remember, me not expect nothing for you to go on. So, I mean, when me look at him, I say, Bumbleclad, like, he first shot thin. He don't come like he's thin. So, him go so, Bumbleclad. I say, babes, who flings to a car? So, same time, I say, babes, them shot me. Remember, you know, his story is so fast, but it's not so fast, and it happened so fast. It confusing when I did it. So, when me look up, I go so, bam, now and look up. When me look up, 4 man. 4 man. Run the car. And an handgun man them have. Buckland. Four man run it. But me nah go tell no lie and the shoot at them. It's trying thing you say. 4 man running car, but he fast, you know. That's what me talking, you know. But then no bother one shot fire. And I want for to try fire, him getting on him leg. So when me look up at him chuck round at the back of the car. But the 4 man them round the car no fire, no more shot. But me know him chuck round the car. And when him chuck round the back of the car, me panic. I know my door. Me open my door. But when him chuck, my mother open me the door. And my brother girl did it. Chevanese. So several win at the car. Several them in the back seat. Chevanese and Chevanese foot broke. So when Kashmar chuck on the back of the car, him chuck for my little brother. Him chuck on a 3-year-old baby. So him drop on a baby. The foot can't move. The shot when him get in the foot, him can't move. Like the foot broke. So me chuck up, me run out of the car too. Him chuck out of the car, I don't know how him reach out the door. But him out the door of the car now. So when me run off and me stop. And me hear babes. I swear. Him say babes. And me look back and like me remember something like I'm fast, you know. Like just think about it. Like me run off. But and him say babes and me look back. But me look back. Mr. Kashmar a ground. Pam me little baby brother. In the pan a remember you know. Remember he did the pan my brother. Like my brother, my baby a come out of the car and he told them drop out of the car. But bear in mind, the 4 man were there over him. No shoot. When me look back, like you know, I say, babes, and me look back and me run go back. Cause me see my brother a ground too. And when me run go back, him man them fire be a shot. But me just still a run towards him. I'm running at the bush now. So me a run come back a little distance when me catch up on myself. And me still when them not fire off of me at the time. Them a fire be a shot in the ear. And me about me I say please no kill me. I say please do not kill him, do not kill him. But bear in mind, me see one killer them jog me baby brother. One of the killer, Kashmar still a try to get to her now. Because if you watch the video and see how far him get from my car, him dead from my car. Me see one of the killer in the red kerchief grab my little brother. The story now add up, suck your mother. Like the killer now grab my little brother and push him to me. Like them never want do we nothing, bro. But me tell everything happen so fast, bro. And when me I run towards him now again, and me I run towards him and me grab the baby. And I run off again. And I say, please do not kill him. But every time I go close to him, them a fire. I suck on me get the shot right here in my leg. Like them I say, the girl insist for dead then. So now come me get a grange. You understand? I suck on me get a grange. And I suck on me have to run. Like me have to start run now. Me run left the baby. Me don't know where the baby there. Me don't know. Me have to end up run left everybody. So me run left my whole family. Me don't know where nobody them, me don't know my mother them, me don't know my mother 3-year-old them, me don't know my niece them, me don't know my cousin them, me have to run left everybody. Me don't know what happen after that because every time me I try to help and me I run down from vehicle because I me know me I say vehicle them a pass, me I say me and hold on from the vehicle them, no vehicle no stop. Somebody have to run for my life. Me could go back them, they go kill me now because them I say the girl insist and I come back. Me end up take up a baby but me end up run left a baby in the middle of the road. And when everything done, them go find the whole of my family, them and the baby, them, you know. People on the road find my baby brother, you know. And find the whole of my family, them, you know. Me have to end up run left my whole family, bro. Like, me end up run left everybody, cause me, see them start shoot off of me now. So me check say me dead too. So everything happen so fast. It's like, remember, you know, me not go on one full story because I don't understand up to now. It probably sounds slow, but it happen fast. It happen so fast, bro. Like, it happen so fucking fast. Like, it happen so fast. Like, everything happen so fast, bro. Me I tell you, bro, like, it happen real fast, bro. This happen about 4 years now. This happen about 2022, 2021, 3, 4, 5, 4 years now. But bear in mind, I always say, my mom could die at that time and my brother them, but me don't know why.